running for years, trying to hide from my trauma. I never got away, and now I'm accustomed to drama. Diving to the bottom of a bottle, searching for love. Never found it, never found a way to replace it with drugs. Now I've been too deep and I can't swim, and I'm not my friend. They're drowning me in myself. I'm lost again, so take me as I am. All my life I've been battling with my demons day and night, and I can't deny my soul is tired. So fill me with your fire until I feel it burning right. I've been fishing, searching for something different, trying to find my way, but notice something's been missing. I've been lacking the drive, I've been lacking ambition. So Lord, if you're the key, then go ahead and turn the ignition. Cause I've been too deep and I can't swim, and I swear these demons are not my friends, drowning me in myself. So tell me where this ends, and where do you begin? Cause Lord, I'm lost again, so take me by my hand. My life, I've been battling with my demons day and night, and I can't deny my soul is tired. So fill me with your. How many times are you gonna doubt yourself? How many times are you going to repeat the same mistakes before you finally experience enough pain that you want to make a change? How many times? How many times you going to tell yourself you're giving up? How many times you going to write it down and rip it up? How many times have you invested in luck? You find that penny facing heads down and turn around and flip it up. Don't you believe in the fake? Believe in your faith. Now watch how everything just seems to fall into place, and you ain't even gotta try. It's like you win in the race, cause every time you praise his name, you'll be receiving his grace. Embrace, now keep me from the wicked, protect me from the snares, and help me spread this message to anybody who cares. Cause I've been wrestling with the lions and tigers and bears. I'm wearing the armor of God, intruders beware. How many times have you prayed in the name of? How many times have you shown in the same love that he shows to you? How many times? How many times? How many times have you prayed in the name of? How many times have you shown in the same love that he shows to you? How many times? How many times? How many times you gonna lie to yourself? How many times you been denying yourself? How many times? How many times? How many times you looked inside of yourself and you're ashamed of what you see, but you don't ask for no help? You'd rather drown in misery and take that rum off the shelf. You pour another shot and blame it on the hand you were dealt, but you're forgetting about the pain that all your family felt while you were running in them streets like a slave for a bag of dope. Your parents worried that their baby might not make it home. They lie awake. And they crying by the phone, praying that they don't get the cold, that your baby is gone. I know it hurts, but everything that I'm speaking is true. I only say it cause I know it, I used to be you, but I done made it and I'm grateful. to the walls crashing.